Home Assistant and n8n are two powerful automation platforms. Home Assistant focuses on smart home device control with local processing, while n8n specializes in workflow automation across apps and services with a visual, code-friendly approach. Home Assistant is an open-source platform designed to centralize and automate smart home devices. It runs locally on your hardware, ensuring privacy and reliability without cloud dependence. The platform supports thousands of devices and protocols, allowing users to create complex automations using YAML or a visual editor. Its strengths lie in robust device integration, extensive community support, and offline operation. Home Assistant excels for users wanting full control over smart home ecosystems, from lighting to security systems. However, it can have a steeper learning curve for beginners due to configuration complexity. Ideal users are tech-savvy homeowners or enthusiasts who prioritize privacy, customization, and deep device control in their smart homes. n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool focused on connecting various apps, services, and APIs. It provides a visual node-based editor to design workflows that automate tasks such as data syncing, notifications, and more. Unlike Home Assistant, n8n operates primarily in the cloud or on user-hosted servers, facilitating broad integrations with over 200 services. Its strengths include flexibility, ease of connecting diverse software, and extensibility through custom nodes or code. However, n8n is less focused on direct device control and more suited for business or productivity automation. It requires some technical knowledge to set up and maintain workflows efficiently. Ideal users are developers, IT professionals, or businesses looking to automate multi-service workflows and data processes rather than smart home device management. Home Assistant and n8n serve different automation needs. Home Assistant is best for managing smart home devices locally, offering privacy and detailed device control. For example, automating lights, sensors, and security cameras in a home environment is straightforward here. On the other hand, n8n shines in automating workflows between cloud apps and services, such as syncing CRM data, sending alerts, or integrating APIs. While Home Assistant requires more setup for complex automations, it excels offline. n8n's cloud focus allows easier integration but depends on server availability. Choosing between them depends on whether you want to control physical devices or automate software workflows. Some users even combine both for a complete automation ecosystem. Choose Home Assistant if your priority is comprehensive, local smart home automation with privacy and deep device integration for a fully customized home setup. Option Samurai versus automating workflows across multiple cloud services or apps with an intuitive visual editor. For those needing both device and workflow automation, using Home Assistant alongside n8n creates a powerful, flexible automation environment.